are we going, Charity?
Ikea.
Ikea. Yay, I'm so excited. Are you excited?
Sure.
Yeah. We haven't been to Ikea like on the vlog yet.
Well, yeah.
So, we're excited. Are you guys excited? Yes, yes. So we are finally in Ikea and we're starting downstairs. I'm excited. I'm so ready for this Ikea adventure. Right now we are looking at the comforters and they're pretty cute. What did you guys find?
Look, it's so cool. You push it up, it stays.
It's gray instead of white. That's interesting. That's cool. What the heck? They're fascinated by the lights. That's cool. Alright, so right now we are upstairs and we're going to look at all the bedroom stuff and some shelves and whatever. So that's what we're doing. This is so cute. My cousin has that bed. Alright, so Gloria, where are we? Gloria, oh my gosh. Where are we?
Ah, you caught me. I'm sorry, I was just trying to take my shower.
Yes. It's our new apartment, just to let you know, and we still have the price tags and everything because we forgot to take them off. Oh my gosh. Is that real?
I only have to put it on one armpit today.
So what are we making today?
We're gonna make some, I can't believe my friend. Some cake.
Some cake, okay.
A bowl.
Look, you have a cutting board right there in front of you.
And some olive oil.
Okay.
I think. And we need some milk. We'll mix it in this.
Okay, in the saucepan.
Nothing. Okay, that's all I remember. Wait, we need some salt. What is that? Salt. Dummy. Dummy. Oh, we have a bowl.
Yes, perfect.
Ready? I'm gonna cook something. Okay? I think we're all good. Put it in the oven.
And in the oven.
Is this where you get it from? Yeah. I didn't really like them, so like I don't really know why
they're intruding our house, Gloria.
Oh my gosh, I forget I have spoons sometimes.
So, you know, you just forget. And a whisk too.
Just testing.
You gotta look at, wait, why are you putting it back in there? Shouldn't it go in the sink over there?
Is this your house or my house? Okay, now we're gonna.
Gloria's house is magical, apparently. Oh, look, we gotta get the wine out too.
No, put that back, don't drop it. This is where we find our flour.
Our flour. And our baking powder too. And baking soda.
No, this is where our flour.
Okay. Lovely. Look, it actually came out.
And that's all we need. And now we have to put a little seasoning.
Oh, lovely. The Windex, yes. Windex goes on every...
I forgot. That's all I have. Need?
Yes. Oh, and look, there's a bed right here.
We need to throw some away. This is where I throw my trash friends away.
Your trash friends. Oh, I love this chair. It's amazing.
That should not
Whee! Oh, yeah. Wait, where's all your ice? Gloria, you don't have ice? How could you not have ice in your house?
What else is in here? I really need to buy some food.
Yeah.
Well, that's it. We have to wait 10 minutes.
Yep.
Do the SpongeBob a few hours later.
Yeah, a few hours later.
Okay.
Okay.
No, you have to like put the picture.
Yeah, I will.
Beep, beep, beep. I think it's time. All right. Here's our cake. Time to cut it up. Bon appetit.
Thank you.
Did you say bon appetit?
Charity, wait, no. So Gloria, show me the rest of the house. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. Look.
I'm going on a trip, so like.
Where are you going? Are you going on a cruise?
So I'm already packed and.
She's going on a cruise. That's where she's going.
To the Bahamas.
Yeah, totally.
Already packed. I only need one thing to wear every day.
Yes.
I have my umbrella that I wear. These people are watching. And I have my Skechers.
And your kids.
My kids.
No, your Adidas shoes and your kids. Hey, look, it's me. Hello.
Okay, and that's it for today's vlog. Tune in next week to see what my next apartment looks like. Thanks, bye.
Charity, you like the lockers? What? What is it?
Like, that's a unit.
That's so neat.
Charity, you walk by the lockers, you don't like them. They're on our.
You like it?
No, it's
5 of them? What the heck? For your room? What color would you get? You should get pink for your room. Oops. What is it, Charity? What did you guys find? Can I smell? It smells really good.
I want to get a candle.
Coffee cake. These candles are so cute. If you could be a candle set, what candle would you be? That would be this one, the coffee cake.
I don't like that one. I like this one. Smell this one.
Oh yeah, because it's strawberry.
No.
Strawberries and raspberries.
It's just raspberries. Oh wait, no, it is strawberries.
Told you. If you could be a candle set, what candle would you be?
Blood orange.
Blood orange? Why is that?
Because I like it.
It's pineapple. Peyton, if you could be a candle set, what candle would you be?
Strawberry.
Strawberry. Charity, if you could be a candle set, what candle would you be?
Too many.
There's too many.
I would be cherry.
She would be cherry.
Cherry.
Guys, this Ikea adventure is going fantastic. It's going pretty great. So I found this like cute little drawer unit, and it's like really cute. It has like these mesh drawers, and I really like it, and it's only $15. And so yeah, I'm gonna do an Ikea haul for you guys tomorrow, and yeah, I'm excited. I can't wait. But I'm probably going to set it up tonight. I'm gonna make the video tonight, and I'm gonna set my things up. Maybe I'll set them up tonight. I have to go to the mall, and also I have to go to the bank later once we get done with all this Ikea shopping. I'm excited because I'm trying to like redo my room and all that, so you guys are gonna love it. I can't wait. You guys are gonna be super happy. One down, one more to go for me, and we're gonna find everything else. So right now, if you can hear me, I'm gonna put subtitles on this.
Okay.
So we are sitting here waiting for a train, and Mommy's playing solitaire. She's playing solitaire. Who does that while they're waiting for a train? Oh yeah, and then someone honked at the train.
Been here for like 10 minutes, 15 minutes.
15 minutes. Like, it's already 4:51. We got here like 4:45 or something. I have no idea. Oh my gosh. She's sitting here playing solitaire.
You see it? Oh, it's moving.
He's moving! He's moving! Alright.
Telling everybody.
Oh my goodness. So we just got back from Ikea, but I'm not gonna show you guys what I got yet. I'm gonna show you guys once I get back from going to 2 places, because I need to go get something at the store, and I also have to go to the bank. So I'm going to the bank right now, and I will talk to you guys once I get back. Guys, I got it. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I'm literally super pumped and ready to open this for you guys on camera. So I'm gonna go home and do that just for you guys. So guys, guess where I just went? I went to JCPenney and I got my Bailey box from Brooklyn and Bailey's collection. So this is what it looks like. There's Brooklyn and Bailey on it with Arizona. So yeah. I'm literally super excited about this. Can you believe it? Oh my gosh, here it is. Oh my gosh, okay. So it came with their shirt that says stay weird. I probably most likely get more art. I don't know. I liked Brooklyn's a lot better. Because Brooklyn's was like a normal like shirt that I would wear. But thank you. I can't believe that I got this. I literally can't believe it. I'm so happy right now. And so then it just, so it comes with that. And then it comes with some makeup from Sephora. And then it just comes with all these Sephora samples. So it comes with their contour eye pencil, 12-hour wear. Just comes with that. It comes with the Sephora cream, instant moisture plus cream. That. And then it comes with the Sephora lip gloss. Oh wait, yeah, the lip gel, the light shine. So that's what it looks like. I'm excited about it. And then also, it's Brooklyn and Bailey's collection. Yes. Oh my god, it's so cute. I literally love this so much. Oh my gosh. It's their little collection. Thank you, Brooklyn and Bailey. And also, it's dry shampoo pen. Pretty cool. And the earrings, I love it. It's so cute. And also the backpack. Oh my gosh, I literally cannot wait to. Thank you, Brooklyn and Bailey. Wow. Alright, I am going to be back with another video here shortly, so